Come here.
I'm still afraid.
Huh.
I have an idea. Good night, honey.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, I have a sandwich.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, I have a water. Emma, it was my water. I want to drink too. Don't you want to say anything?
What? How, Emma?
Yes, let's enjoy it. Emma, you should say thank you when someone shares something with you.
What?
Say goodbye to people.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you for the sandwich and water, Sarah.
You're welcome.
Oh no.
Emma, did you not put away the box?
Yes, I took it.
Why?
Because where are my feet? I don't want to give them.
Honey, I understand you. Because there are things we don't know. So we can give them to the clothes who do.
I understand. Let's Papa more toys.
You're so kind, and if you don't play with toys anymore or have clothes that are too small for you, you can donate them. This will help make the world happier. Hey Emma, can I play with you, please?
No.
But you have two.
No, it's fine. Sarah, can I play too?
No, because you didn't share.
Emma, what's wrong?
Sarah doesn't share.
You should know how to share. Here, go take this and share with her.
Thank you, Daddy.
Whoa.
Sarah.
You will share with me?
Yes, I'm sorry about the morning.
That's okay. Let's go play. Let's have some sex. It's always good to share.
Thank you, Sarah. Yeah.
Stop, Emma. You're waiting on the wall. Pick it up, please.
Well, then.
Good job. Stop, Emma. No waiting on the floor.
I just want to draw.
I have an idea. Let's paint here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Next time, draw only on right place.
Okay, Daddy.
Someone is knocking. I'll open.
Wait, where are you going? Sarah, stop.
What?
Look first. We don't know him.
Oh no.
Never open the doors to strangers.
Okay, sister, you are right. Safety first.
Catch my ball.
What happened here?
It's nothing. It was my teddy bear.
What?
Time out, teddy bear.
Oh no.
Now time out for 5 minutes.
Oh no. Should I tell the truth? Should I tell the truth? It's not me. It's teddy bear again.
Huh? The teddy is still on time out, but now your turn. Emma, always take responsibility for your actions.
Okay, Daddy. I'm sorry.
Good. Now time out is over.
Hooray! Thanks, Daddy.
Oh no! My phone is dirty.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
I know what to do. Here we go. This phone isn't afraid of dirt.
Wow, it's so nice.
So, you remember my number?
1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3.
Nice work. Let's start challenge yes or no. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. The first, yes or no?
Yes!
Mm-hmm. For me. Yes or no?
Yes! No!
Next, yes or no?
No!
Yes or no?
Yes!
You say yes!